In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wix portfolio. Whether you're a designer, photographer, or any kind of creative professional, showcasing your work is crucial. A Wix portfolio offers a great platform for you to do just that, and today we'll walk through the process from start to finish. Let's start with logging into Wix. Open a browser and navigate to wix.com. Enter your login credentials if you already have an account. If not, it's simple to set one up by following the prompts to create a new account. Once logged in, you'll land on the Wix dashboard, a user-friendly hub that helps you manage your projects efficiently. Next, look for the Create New Site button. This will lead you to Wix's site creation page, a powerful tool offering various options for customizing your site. Here we click on Setup without chat. This means we're choosing to configure the site manually, which gives us more control over each detail of our portfolio. Now direct your attention to the search box. Type Portfolio and then select Portfolio from the list of categories. This step ensures that you're choosing the right kind of template for your needs. Wix provides several professional-looking templates, so you'll find one that aligns closely with your vision. Once you've selected the appropriate category, click Continue to move ahead. You'll now be taken to the Design Sites section. This is where creativity meets strategy. Here, you'll select Pick a Template. Wix offers a variety of beautifully crafted templates tailored for different types of portfolios. Browse through the options, considering what best reflects your brand and aesthetic. After picking the template you love, click on Edit. This is when you'll get into the real work of personalizing your portfolio. Wix offers an intuitive drag-and-drop editor, perfect for users of any skill level. You can adjust layouts, add images, and even integrate multimedia like video clips or slideshows to really make your portfolio shine. Now you've personalized your site, but maybe you need another fresh start. You can click on Create a New Site if you want to start over, or create another portfolio. This feature is handy if you want to tailor different portfolios for varied audiences or styles. Finally, when you're satisfied with the design and content, it's time to fine-tune. Use all the tools available to make your portfolio as unique as you are. Each aspect, from color schemes to typography, contributes to your overall presentation and helps you stand out to potential clients or employers. By following these steps, you'll have a professional Wix portfolio that effectively showcases your work and strengths. So dive in and start creating. Once published, your tailored portfolio will be ready to make a powerful impression in your professional field.